Okay, so we want to show you, we're prepping this area for our coating system, this one-day flake that we're doing. And we prepped it with our on-floor machine with metal bond tools. And then some people ask, what do I do about edging? As you can see, this machine left a gap against the wall that's 1.5 inches or so. And you can see it right here with my finger. Okay, so this little gap. Now, here's the thing about coatings is if a foot's not touching it, meaning, nobody's ever gonna, walk here, there's not gonna be abrasion. I mean, the closest somebody's gonna walk is right in here. You don't have to really worry about it too much. But then again, too, when in doubt, prep it out, right? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna edge it with our hand grinder and a cup wheel hooked up to our vac system. And it doesn't take very long, but I'll just show you how to do it really quick. So we got a little bit closer to that. I'll be honest with you, somewhat of a poor example, and I'll tell you why. It's because of this shroud, So this is just a generic shroud for grinding that'll collect dust. On our 7-inch grinder that we sell, it comes with a shroud with actually a flip up end to it. So this portion flips up, and then it allows that tool to get right up against the wall. So that's on our 7-inch Blastrac angle grinder that we sell. Don't know why I didn't grab it for this demonstration purpose. We just have this laying around. So that's hand grinding up against the wall.